शगना दा चढ़िया आओ सखियों नी वेड़ा सजिया हाँ मेरा सजना मिलिया सजना मिलन वधाइयां नी सजन डोली.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If anyone new here, welcome to Stotra's Corner, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. So guys, today I have created this South Indian bridal makeup look. If anyone out there are getting married and searching for a makeup artist and you are not getting any makeup artist on your budget and anything like that, you can do this makeup look on your wedding day by yourself. So let's see, and I have used very affordable products. So let's see how I created this beautiful South Indian makeup look. Let's get started. So guys, I have already moisturized my face and prepped my skin. If anyone going to be bride, please prep your skin and moisturize your face so that the other steps, and you will be having a very long day throughout your wedding and so many rituals will be conducted, so you must be very hydrated and your skin must be very hydrated. So I'm going to use this Lakme Absolute Blur Perfecting Primer, and primer is a must guys. You must apply primer. It will make your makeup long lasting, and I'm going to take this much. Not forget your neck. Whatever you will apply on your face, please apply that on your neck also. After applying moisturizer, you must leave it for 10 minutes, and after applying primer, please leave it for 5 minutes so that your skin will be quite set for next steps. And now I'm going to just take some lip balm and apply it on my lips so that my lips will be ready for liquid lipstick or any other lipsticks. So it's been 5 minutes after applying my primer. For my foundation, I am going to use this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. You'll get the larger one, bigger one, that is 30 ml, and this is I think 18 ml. Yeah, this is for 299, that is for 400. You can make a choice whatever, whichever you want. So I'm going to just take in back of my hand this much, and dot it on my face, all over my face, like this. And do not forget your neck. And now I'm going to take this sponge, beauty sponge, and blend it out. You can use your fingers. Concealer, I am going to use this Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer in the shade 04. And I'm going to apply that under my eyes and on my lid just to hide my dark circles. And blend that using a sponge. And I'm going to apply this on my bridge of my nose and cheekbones and around my mouth, and blend that using a sponge. To set my concealer, I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in the shade light, and I'm going to just set my concealer. I'm going to use this sponge, and I'm going to bake my under eyes. I'm going to bake my under eyes because if any fallout happens, I can just dust it off later. So, and just set my upper lid around my mouth. Before starting my eye makeup, I'm going to just fill my brows. Can you see the difference? To start with my eye makeup, I am going to use this Nicka K birthday cake palette. From that, I am going to take this orange shade as my crease color and just place it on my outer V like this, and just blend inwards and just blend softly. You can see this is highly pigmented eyeshadows, so work with little and intensify more. Just placing it in the outer V and blend that inwards. After that, I'm going to take this shade right here, this shade, and place it in the outer V and intensify the color. And I'm going to blend that below my crease line. And I'm going to take again that shade, same shade, and build the color. And till now there is no fallout. And now taking a clean brush, again I'm going to take this color and just blend this so that there will be no harsh lines. So for my gold shimmer shade, I am going to use this Master Chrome, and I am going to wet this brush using a setting spray. and take in this brush and apply that in the inner half of my eyelid. After that, I'm going to take this shade right here and just blend that gold color. Lower lash line, I'm going to mix both of this and apply it on my lower lash line, and I'm going to just squeeze this. You can use a pair of lashes, but I am not going to wear lashes. And I'm going to do this eye and come back. So for my eyeliner, I'm going to use this Revlon eyeliner in the shade black. I'm going to do a wing liner. Already curled my lashes, and for my mascara I'm going to use this Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara, and this is a waterproof mascara. And yeah guys, you should wear waterproof eye makeup, because if you get emotional, it must not get budge or smudge. So yeah. Kajal, I'm going to use this Lakme Iconic Kajal in color black, just on my waterline and tight line my eyes.
I'm just going to dust off the baking which I was doing under my eyes, and the remaining powder I'm just going to pat that all over my face.
For my contouring, I'm going to use this Nicka K contours palette. In this, I'm going to use this shade right here, and I'm going to mix both. For my blush, I'm going to use this Sugar Cosmetics blush. Just smile and apply. And I'm going to just blend both contour and blush together, and I'm going to apply on my nose a little bit so that it looks quite natural, and on my chin. And now I'm going to use this Wet n Wild natural finish setting spray. And yeah guys, please don't mind if you hear any noise, so I'm sorry for that. till my setting spray dries. I'm going to just apply this Maybelline Color Show lipstick on my lips, and this is in the shade red. For my highlighter, I'm going to use this Master Comb by Maybelline, and I'm going to use this fan brush and apply it on my highest point of the face, like cheekbones, cubic bone, and bridge of my nose. Just press it using my fingers so that it looks natural. My cubic bone, my chin, and I'm going to use my finger on the bridge of my nose and just blend that well. I'm just going to highlight my brow bone, this thing here, and my inner corners using the same highlighter. Yeah guys, I'll be back by wearing all my jewels. So guys, if you like this video and find it helpful, please share this video with your friends, family and everyone, and please share this video who is going to get married soon. And yeah guys, and please help me to reach 1000 subscribers by sharing all my videos, and do subscribe to my channel guys, it means a lot to me, and I am going to see you in my next video. Bye guys, take care.